So here we have a set of ears meant for a John Deere tractor. We got a bid to do some snowplows for a company out east, and they've got a custom mount on them, and I was worried that we couldn't get the mount accurate enough without a perfect example. So he hired these ears done from another company in hopes that they'd be plasma cut and perfect and ready to go. And when I initially offloaded them off the pallet, it was dark out, and they looked pretty good at first, but looking closer here, we noticed they are torch cut. They were not plasma cut. They were cut with a torch and never cleaned up. There's over an 1/8 inch variation between these. Now picking through, I've got 4 pairs, so 8 total. So I'll have to sit and mate them up to make sure that I can get a couple of pair. But I don't know what the actual exact measurement is supposed to be from the hook to the pinpoint. And like I say, when I stack them, there's almost an 1/8 inch of difference. The other problem that we've got, if you look at this, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see that 1/8 inch gap at the top of my square. And the bottom is sitting against the very bottom of the curve in here. Now there's a little bit of debris there, but these have almost an 1/8 inch lean to them because the torch head, we might be able to see it better here. So the whole thing is cone shaped or tapered. It's not square at all, and so I'm going to have to clean this up with a hard stone and try and get them as square as I can. But once again, I don't know what that exact measurement is from the inside of that hook to that pin center. So there's going to be a lot of fitting time on this, but I just wanted to shoot an example of what should have been a plasma cut part, or these hooks should have been drilled on the mill so that they were exact, and they weren't. These were rough torch blown, and then the hole was milled in them after. And because they didn't de-slag them before they milled the holes in them, there was nothing for them to square off of. So there's over an 1/8 inch difference in where the holes are located between the plates, which causes for a real problem, because that back edge should have gone against a backstop, and in order for the back edge to go against a backstop, they would have had to have been clean, and they were never cleaned before they were milled, so they are not an accurate part. So one of the fun things we get to deal with when we get parts from an outside vendor is you never know what you're going to get. Now this pile of parts cost $1,500 for the luxury to get a subpar part that now needs a whole lot of work to make it usable. So figured I'd shoot a quick video of some of the problems we have when sourcing parts from other companies. So thanks for watching.